Thank you for joining us this morning for the grand opening and ribbon cutting of the new campus of Wickliffe.
Welcome everyone, and thank you for coming to this very special event in the history of Wickliffe City Schools. Contrary to popular belief, I was not present for the ribbon cutting of the elementary school or the middle school.
We are committed and confident as we embark on this journey that we will be creating a collaborative and an inclusive educational community. We will empower our students to grow both personally and academically.
You do not know who we are, but we know who you are, your Wickliffe City Schools. We would like to extend our heartfelt congratulations to this community and the school district for your commitment to quality education for your children.
My job this morning is to share with you the journey that led us here today. We looked at three things. What does our educational program look like? What does it need to look like into the future? What do our facilities look like, and do they match the vision of our educational program? And finally, what are our student demographics and how do we meet the needs of our students? The conclusion of that group, after several months of meetings and hundreds of people participating, was that we needed to look carefully at our facilities. That takes us to March of 2019, when we established a bond campaign committee. That campaign committee began to hit the trail on a bond campaign. That bond campaign was a neighbor-to-neighbor, a door-to-door, a heart-to-heart discussion about what's best for our city, what's best for our students. We hired then TDA as our design architect. Shortly thereafter, we hired Hammond Construction as our construction manager. We could not have made a better decision in both cases. I think you'll agree with us when you walk around the building after this open house that they did a spectacular job. During this process, we sought and received input from members of the community, from students, from staff, from teachers. So this work is not the work simply of the school staff, the school administration, but this work is the work of an entire community. This is your work. And here we go, the campus of Wickliffe. 1, 2, 3. Now the work really begins.